Welcome to Castle Enterprise Pet Product, one of the world's leading nature-based pet products manufacturing company. This video is about cure and prevention of going light in small group aviary birds. Going light is caused by a vast range of disease and sometimes due to malnutrition. The only major symptom related to going light is weight loss. Weight loss over a longer period of time may indicate serious health issue. Introducing Mopen Pro. Our researchers have reached to the conclusion. Along with our development team, they have made Mopen Pro, which heals going light of the small group aviary birds naturally. It strengthens the immune system and develop defense mechanism inside the bird body. It cures the digestive tract, prevent infection and help the immune system to fight the invaders of going light. Therefore birds get cure easily. Here's a healthy weight chart for different small group aviary bird species. Small group aviary birds are those aviary birds who have their body weight below 100 grams or up to 100 grams in their adult phase. Like finches, canary, budgies, budgerigar, African lovebirds, Borky parrot, Pacific parrotlet, cockatiel, barred parakeet, princess parrot, red-rumped parrot, mulga parrot, western rosella, scarlet-chested parrot, hooded parrot, turquoise parrot, elegant parrot, plain parakeet, Java sparrow, etc. Lack of ideal weight can be a sign of going light. Mopen Pro has exotic herbs inside. It is 100% natural with no proven side effect. Bird generally starts gaining weight within first week of proper uses and thoroughly stop showing weakness and disease symptom. For more information about the product, visit the link in the description. We have manufactured products for every type of pets. To watch our vast range of pet products, visit www.castlenterprise.org/pet-product. The product video made by Castle Enterprise team. Thank you for watching.